Well, give me a few moments. It's time to share. Just give me a few moments to share this on Facebook just real quick. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. All right. Seems like people are coming now. Okay. Hmm. All right. This should do. Okay. Okay. Welcome, Miss Kathleen and Mr. Go. Thank you for joining us for our inner peace time. For those of you who are new, please don't be shy. Leave us a comment telling us who you are so we can get to know and remember each other. And for those of you who already know, well, you know what to do, right? Welcome to Inner Peace Sunday, everyone. A community where anyone who like to meditate together from around the world come join. Meditating at this time and the same place, same time every week. However, just want to let you know there are some announcements about upcoming session in the next 2 weeks, which are gonna be on holiday. So please wait for announcements after this while we are waiting for everyone. Hello, Miss Helen. Welcome. Let's see. Anyone else who is coming later? Well, we just start. We still got a little bit of time. Today I have prepared some good story that could be benefit to your inner peace mind and also allow yourself to be reflecting upon the dilemma lesson learned from this story that can help you improve the quality of your life and your mind. Oops, just one moment. It seems that I need to pin this down when people coming. All right, thank you. Okay, once again for our Inner Peace Sunday. Welcome, Miss Ashley. Thank you for coming. Well, you make it. You don't oversleep. All right. So today, the topic, the wisdom I'd like to share is called paint the boats. Paint the boat, my bad. Maybe some of you have come across this story before, but I think it's quite a good story to enriching the soul, teaching us something so we can reflect on our life and improve the quality how we live and treat each other. All right. While we are waiting, if you are new, don't forget to, telling us who you are so we get to know each other. If you already know, well, you can just telling and checking in. It's fine. Now, as it is, everyone, let's go to our story today. It could be ending quite early, depend on the story that I'm gonna explaining. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take, but anyway, let's see. Here we go. Paint the boat. Red boat too. I'm sure you all know what boat it look like, so I don't think to explain this too much. But nevertheless, the story itself is enriching and also helping you understand the quality of our life are much more than just paint the boat. Okay, so before we go to that part, well, let me tell my story, my stuff first, right, everyone? First of all, for the upcoming holiday, which will be on next Sunday and the week after, will be held on December 25th and January the 1st is just on Sunday. And there's nothing I can do. So therefore, I'm sure you all want to go out and have fun with your family and you want to wake up late, you want to do some activity, cherish time with your family and things, So I'm not going to be an obstacle for your time to meet with your family member and spending time or sleeping on the bed, enjoy your night before the day, right? So today, just want to announce that upcoming December 25th and January the 1st Inner Peace Sunday will be canceled. All right, please take a note. If you come, oh, where is teaching monk? I'm waking up early. I want to come meditate with him. Please take it easy because I will not be there. So please take a note on there, okay? That December 25th, which is going to be Christmas Day, and January the 1st, which is New Year, cancel. No more. So you can enjoy, meditate on your own. But if you like to meditate on your own, well, check out on our YouTube channel, okay, for Inner Peace Time Quality with you by yourself. One more is that also, since it's in the week of the holiday for both week, the MBU session that I also helping out will be also canceled on December 24th, Christmas Eve and New Year Eve as well. These Eve they are also canceled. So you can enjoy your time, don't hold it back. Oh, I'm gonna meditate today. Oh, I have to go with my friend. Don't worry, just go enjoy. All right, I'm not gonna be your obstacle for tonight, these 2 weeks. All right, just enjoy. Okay. Next announcement. This is something exciting. You can see the scroll over here. You can see that app over here too. That right now I'm exciting to announce that Insight Timer app. If you have one already, good. Don't forget to search for me, LP Visit GTM. Yes, I just happened to join their teaching monk team, so therefore I upload my guided meditation and a little bit of my introduction to meditation. More is coming, but it takes some time because they have a lot of people probably submitting a lot of file for them, so it takes them for quite about 2 or 3 days in order to upload our file. So therefore, right now I just only got 3, and they said that right now they are on holiday break, and they will be reloading the audio later on after mid of January. So please be patient and just starting, but don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, follow on our, session on this. All right. So everyone, thank you very much for your time. Now, as it is for our story of today. Oh, before we got to that part, for those of you who are not doing this yet, well, I also having my YouTube channel, the collection of record today, just like today and last night. Also posting up there. Sometime I forgot to share, but you can check it out on our Get Teaching Monk channel on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Press the bell too to get the notification of the update video. All right, that's all my information that I'm sharing right now. It takes some time, isn't it? Anyway, here we go. Paint the boat. The story is not much, but it gives you a lot of thought for this story. What is it about? Well, if you're reflecting yourself as a worker, whoever hire you, you just do what your job require you to do and to get paid after the job done. The story are just like that, starting like that. So the story, there was once a man in this time. He himself is a painter. I mean, a painter, not the drawer and painter. I got my point, right? He painted the boat, and one man asked him to paint his boat in a red color, just like what you see in the picture. But while the man was painting and his family went out to enjoy, what happened was, when he painting, he just came up on a hole, but he found it just so small, tiny. He can ignore it. It's fine. But he found that, if I ignore it, my job will not be complete. So instead, it's just common hole. So therefore, he just fix it without any obstacle. It's easy for him. Oh, hello, Miss Emily. It's quite early for you. Hopefully you don't mind. Thank you for joining. Okay. What happened is, after he finished painting, fixed the hole, everything, make it look like new. After the man came back, he got paid as he just expecting, and then he left. Everything else is just over. His job is done, just like us. When we finish our job each day, we just go back home without caring about what's going on. But then the next day come. Actually, not next day, 2 days after that, the man who hired him to paint the boat came knock on his door again. But this time, he didn't even say anything when he opened the door and welcome. The man said, please take this money. It's about 3 times the money that he got paid from last time when he painted the boat. So the man asked, oh, what happened? You already paid. I don't need your money. Okay, it's already done. The man said, please, he insisted, take this money for my peace of mind. Sir, I already finished your job. You paid me and it's done. But this is too much. It's more than my pay. What did I do? I don't even do anything. I just finished my job. It's done. Well, you see, the man explained to him now. 2 days ago, after you finished the boat, the paint was dry, everything. While I went to work, my son, 3 of them, while I was out to work, they took my boat, and I forgot to warn them that there is a hole on the boat. After I returned home, I was so worried, and I just realized, and I forgot to tell them too, that the boat has a hole. It could leak, and my son took the boat out into the lake. I'm afraid that they're gonna be drawn because they don't know that the boat has a hole leaking. But up on when I went to search for them, I saw them return safely. It just brings me joy and brings me peace of mind. I realized that you fixed the boat for me. Well, this is for my peace of mind. Your deed actually saved my son. But sir, it's just fixing a small hole. It's nothing much. You don't have to give me this much. Please accepting this. This as a gift for saving the life of my sons. It's not for fixing the boat alone. Please take it. So the man finally took the fee that the owner of the boat gave it to him. But if you learn from this story what you see, even though something just so trivial for you, but it could be into big thing to others. So that's why living your life, doing the job what you do, always do your best. You never know what good is gonna bring back to you, when it's gonna be give it fruit, when you're gonna finding yourself the success. Don't worry. One thing that you know by your heart, by yourself, you did your best. And so, just like this man, painting the boat as he was instructed to do, but to do a little bit more it wouldn't hurt if he can do it, and he did his best to make his work complete. And so, that's as it is, he got paid more than he asked for, and best of all is, who saved the life of the three boys. He didn't even expect it to. And therefore, everyone, good deeds come in the time that you never expect or at the least expect. So strive on to do good deeds, especially at this time, everyone. When you are meditating, you don't have to do your best, but keep yourself practicing at all time, consistently. Your best will be delivered in the fruit of you do it consistently, and it will deliver the fruit in no time. Not only that alone, when your life is finding yourself finally in a peace, yes, the quality of what you think, what you speak, what you do will also improve. And so I hope the story that I teach you today, Paint the Boat, can be benefit to everyone, how you live your life, and also improve the quality of your mind. And also please practice meditation regularly, especially from this moment on. Inner Peace Sunday is no longer available until next year. So don't forget to practice meditation on your own. I'm thinking about canceling Inner Peace nighttime at the moment until New Year, because right now a lot of people keep coming to the temple and they just want to meditate with me. Now I just have another session after this. I have no break at all. So it's quite fun to meditate with them, but yesterday, 4 session, it drained me a lot. two in the morning, two in the morning. Afternoon I went out because people want to take me to see the museum. I never been there before, so I just go. I come back, so 2 more sessions waiting for me. And so that's quite a lot of load work for me at the moment. But nevertheless, I enjoy meditate with you all. That is something I like to do that much. So please continue practice meditation regularly. Before we start, check yourself 3 things for those who are regular. Go ahead, leave the comment that you are ready. Let's see who else. Miss Julie, Mr. John, Sanae, and Mr. J. Wow, a lot of people coming at the moment. So that's a good thing because, it's almost holiday time. You want some quality time with your family and also inner peace time too, right? So before you start, check yourself 3 things. Number 1, check if your mobile phone is in silent mode, so it won't disturb when you are meditating with me and everyone else during inner peace time together. 2, check if yourself sitting in a peaceful and quiet. And last is, do you want to use toilet? Now would be the good time because we have not started. If you do, and everything is done, well, I think you are set. All right, let me have some sip. All right, okay, everyone. If you are set, let's finding ourselves a comfortable position so we can begin our inner peace time. All right, everyone. Let us begin our meditation. Okay. I would like to start by inviting everyone here, finding yourself in the right, comfortable position, free from all the tension that may arise. Relax your body very truly, and then slowly close your eyes, feeling as if you are about to rest or falling asleep. Relax your body truly, beginning from the top of your head. Relax down to forehead, eyebrows, loosen eyelids. No need to lose your eyes or try to look during the meditation. Making yourself feeling most comfortable. Relax every muscles on your face, down to your neck, shoulder, back, body, arms, forearms, all the way down to the tips of your hands. Relax your abdomen, allowing yourself breathe in and breathe out more easily. Making sure that your whole body totally comfortable for the meditation. Spending a few moments to adjusting yourself. Continue further to relax from your hip to your legs, knees, down to the tip of your toes. Making sure at this moment you are feeling comfortable and relaxed, because body and mind are connected. If one is relaxed, soon the other would follow. When you finding yourself the right balance, the right feeling for your comfortable position, you would be content, feeling satisfied right here. Stay in this position without further adjustment. Feeling just like the body is disappear or blend in with the atmosphere around your room. Once you find yourself finish adjusting your body, continue to adjust the mind. Empty your mind, putting down everything aside for the time being. Imagine that you are sitting alone in a place that you like to be by yourself, like somewhere in the forest, near the river or waterfall, and the sound of water making you feeling calm and peaceful, free from all thoughts and worry. Then allow the mind coming back to yourself by lightly. Take a deep breath. Slowly breathing out. Clear the thought while you breathe out. Bring back the mind and press it inside around your abdomen or at any point where you feel just right to rest your mind. Observe the mind using your feeling. Maintain it inside while you stay relaxed, both body and mind. From this moment, making yourself become like an observer. Observe the mind, your own feeling, feeling that the mind is present inside your body. Observe the mind peacefully. Should the thought arise, don't worry. Let it be and let it go without following your thought. Instead, calm the mind down by reciting the mantra. Letting the mind stay inside while you observe your own mind. And allow our mind to rest and stay inside by lightly imagine the sun shine at the place where you rest your mind. At the same time, reciting the mantra in your mind to free yourself from the thought. You may use your own mantra or the following mantra in the mind. And the mantra is Samma Arahang. Samma Arahang. Samma Arahang. Continue on until the sound of the mantra fade away or disappear, which is the sign that our mind has found inner peace inside. You can choose to do both, or do just either one that you like, according to how you feel. Reciting the mantra Samma Arahang. Samma Arahang. Samma Arahang. Samma Arahang. Let us continue finding ourselves inner peace together for a little while until the appropriate time. Still maintain the mind in the balance of mindfulness and relaxation inside yourself. As our mind gradually comes to a standstill, peace and joy slowly fill into the mind. Allow the mind to be open to love freely without any condition. Sharing this feeling of inner peace with positivity to the people that you love, starting from yourself to your family and friends, teaching everyone to be free from all kinds of danger or suffering. For those who are suffering, may they be happy. And for those who are already happy, may they be happier more and more. Spending these few moments before the end of our meditation, spread loving kindness. Take a deep breath. Slowly breathing out, feeling yourself, your awareness, your mind is resting inside. Continue on. Allow the mind to stay within as long as you can after the meditation, so you can be with your inner peace everywhere you go and everything you do. Before the end, the monk would chant a short blessing to end the session. Sappha Putthanubbhavena, Sappha Dhammanubbhavena, Sappha Sanghanubbhavena, Sattha Soti Bhavantu Te. You can now slowly open your eyes. May you stay with inner peace and be happy. Right. Welcome back, everyone. Hope you enjoy your inner peace time quality with me. Allow me to check how you progress. For those of you who are new to our program, you can leave the comment as follow here. For those who are watching from Zoom, you can just interact with me by raising hand. For those of you who are feeling relaxed, could you leave the comment as one? Thank you. And for those of you who feeling like time fly by very fast or feeling like your body disappear, leave the comment as two. And for those who experience joy, brightness inside, or feeling content for just a few moments is also count, leave the comment as 3. Anything else that I didn't mention as 4. Explain, I'll get back to you when I see your comment. Alright, let's see who has sharing. Mr. Go 2, Mr. J 2, Miss Sanae 1. Oh, we got Mr. Hero. I think this is our first time, but my friend from Let's Meditate with Long Pi Krint has mentioned that you joining him quite a few times already. Well, thank you for joining us in our Inner Peace Sunday. Catherine 2. All right, Mr. 1. Anyone got 3? No? Well, don't worry about the result. As long as you like and you keep practicing, you shall be fine. My master used to mention, for one to progress in meditation, 2 things are required. Number 1 is your consistency. Next, the most important is it must do in the correct method, which is stay mindful and relax. If you are having too much relax, you could fall asleep or having wandering thought. Or if you're trying too hard, that's too much mindful, not good neither. It must be in the balance. So hopefully you catch this trick and progress every time. Miss Helen too, thank you for sharing. Okay, so this is how you do. But all in all, everyone, even though your meditation are not continue or sometimes up and down, don't worry. It is part of our training we must undergo. Even a lot of masters who are coming to practice, they also experience something until they practice to the point from 1 hour to 2 hours, 3 hours until 24 hours a day without single skipping. one may be wondering how one practice meditation 24 hours a day. The catch on this is when you are asleep, make sure your mind are focusing inside. When you're falling asleep, you would not lose your consciousness, but your mind are still there, but body and mind are very rest. Kind of like when you are finding relaxation like that, but it's all permanent mode like that. So this is how one actually starting with this training level. I have encountered one people too. I think he is no longer as a monk, but when he was training with me, we have some fight together, some agreement, still young monk at that time. He said that he just told me one thing. When he was meditate for the first time, he feeling so much joy that to the fact that when he couldn't sleep, he just lie down and he just want to be in. He feeling joy in that immense of inner peace. And when he wake up in the morning, it's time fly by very fast. He don't even falling asleep, but he just so immense in the joy and happiness that he has. So that's quite explaining a little bit about how one can practice meditation during sleep. But you don't have to go that far. But if you like to, no problem. Be my guest. But if you are just want to enjoy this inner peace time, this could also be a good time that you practice right now. But in case you have your own motivation, you are having something that you want to go into the extent, you can try sometime like this. But of course, I'm not there yet, so I couldn't explain to you properly. But since I just only heard from my friend who having that kind of experience before. But all in all, everyone, these are just coming one thing. Just get your mind back inside and stay. That's it. Simple task, isn't it? Simple to the point that is easier than we have eating. Eating, we don't have anyone to teach us. We know just put everything inside our mouth, we chew and swallow. But this is even easier than chewing or eating. But it's just that it's too easy that we don't have anyone to teach. It doesn't show in the scripture. Therefore, to explain and writing down or sharing knowledge properly are quite lost over time. But all in all, now that this knowledge has been refined by my master and everyone in the temple who are helping each other to do this. Therefore, hopefully you keep practicing and enjoy. Continue to do a meditation with us. All right, let's see. Do I have any of this? Just one moment, everyone. It seems like I'm losing something here. Okay. No, not this one. Never mind that. Okay. I thought I have that before. Okay, never mind. Okay, so just before we end our session today, allow me to share some announcement before we end. For those who are just coming late, for those of you who are new to me and interested to join further, okay. For those of you who are interested to learn further, I also have the collection of my my teachings and live collecting in my YouTube channel called Great Teaching Monk. So if you are if you like to follow me, don't forget to subscribe, like and share on this channel, Great Teaching Monk. But if you feel, are you so high, you some great like that? No, actually I was gonna go good teaching and meditation. But anyway, if you like it, all right, you can just however you like. I just want to go with GTM. That's all. But in case you have your own mobile phone and you are tech junkie, I like to proudly announce I have my Just Joy Insight Timer app, one of the best meditation app in the world. So come join us. Don't forget to subscribe looking for my name, LP Pistit GTM, for Teaching Monk in Insight Timer. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, okay? I will continue to upload recording my teaching again, more summarized and better short time for one to understand. So don't forget to follow me on that one. Just like to share. All right, everyone. I think it's about the time that I think we should get it over with. But remember, everyone, for the upcoming next week and the week after, we have no Inner Peace Sunday because it's holiday and you want to be with your family rather than with just some monk you don't even meet right? So therefore, just meet online is enough. So therefore, spending time with your family on Christmas and New Year, enjoy, okay? And also a week on Saturday as well, DMU live also cancel on that day. All right, everyone, and that should be it. And I hope to see you again in next Inner Peace Sunday. All right, ending my broadcasting now.